Batcave is the big thing that you're going up into.
Why is it not working?
You gotta put it on the track. You gotta put it on the track the right way.
You help me?
You had it, just put it on the track.
I can't, I need help.
You need my help?
Yes.
Let me see it. I'll fix it. Okay. Mission complete. Come this way. Push the other way. No, push the controller the other way.
What?
Okay, that's fine. Back it up.
Go.
The Joker?
Yeah.
Or the Riddler, I mean? The Riddler. He crashed.
Okay.
Uh-oh, he crashed.